सूत्रधार में सुनते हैं पंचतंत्र की कहानियां। नानाम्यम नमतजे दारु नाशमनि सात्क्षुर क्रिया सूचिमुखम विजानीहि ना शिष्यायोपदिश्यते। पंचतंत्र में सुनते हैं मूर्ख बंदर और सूचिमुख पक्षी की कथा।
A herd of monkeys lived in a forest in a mountainous area. They were all shivering as they got drenched in the rain during the cold season. To get some warmth, they gathered dry grass that looked like fire and tried to generate heat by blowing into it. Seeing them making futile efforts, a bird named Suchimuk came to them and said,
"What a foolish thing you are doing! Fire cannot be ignited like this. Instead of shivering in the chill here, go find a cave and save your life by sitting inside it. Look, the clouds are still black. It will rain more now."
One of the old monkeys said, "You better mind your own business. We don't need your knowledge." The bird ignored the old monkey and started saying the same thing again and again.
"Oh, monkeys, don't waste your energy in vain like this."
When the bird did not stop repeating, an angry monkey grabbed both his wings and slammed him to a stone.